Oh my gosh, it's a manatee. Riley, a manatee! Hello! Oh no, it's a dolphin. Come back. Oh. Oh. Well, I feel like I need to explain myself. That video nearly ended really badly.
Oh, I think it could have ended wonderfully.
Of course you do.
Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon, so you never miss any new updates, cause whenever we upload new video you will get a notification on your phone.
Another fabulous end to the day with our patrons. We're all obsessing over the sunset right now over Miami. It really is incredible.
On the card, you can't play the card.
We play it differently.
There is so many different ways to play it.
We let that happen. But that's good.
Say hello, everyone.
Hello everyone.
Say g'day. Hello, hello, hello. Hello to the world. Say hello. Ta-da. Did you guys hear that?
Oh, you should have just seen that.
So, we're taking shelter at the moment. We have a bunch of patrons on board and we went for a free dive this morning and then the weather, turned to crap and we've had to take shelter and it's coming.
Maybe you should pull the fucking trigger.
Pull the trigger. Ain't nobody gonna do